How to add privacy policy to Wix website. So go to wix.com, then go to the editor page of the website where you want to add privacy policy. On the left side, click on Pages and Menu, then click Add Page on the bottom. Just name the page Privacy and Policy, then click the three dots icon on the right side of Privacy and Policy and go to Settings. Toggle on the option Hide from Menu. After that, go to the Privacy and Policy page, then click Add Elements on the left panel. Choose Text, then Heading, then just type in Privacy and Policy. After that, choose Text again, then add a paragraph about your privacy and policy. Just lay it out however you want as long as it's in the page. After that, go to the home page by clicking the Switch Pages drop-down menu on the top left. Then add another heading and type in Privacy and Policy and just put it anywhere you like. After that, double-click on the heading and click on the link icon. Go select Page, then search for the page Privacy and Policy, then click Done. After that, just click Save and Preview to test if it works. Just click on the Privacy and Policy heading on the home page, and it should bring you to the Privacy and Policy page. So that is how to add privacy policy to Wix website. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.